In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Clawdbot 24/7 on a Mac Mini using Homebrew, Node.js, Git, and PM2. First, open Terminal. The quickest way is Finder, then Applications, then Utilities, and finally Terminal. Keep this window open. We'll do everything from here. We'll start by installing Homebrew, the package manager that makes installing tools on macOS simple. Paste the official Homebrew install command in Terminal and press Enter. You may be prompted for your Mac password and to confirm Xcode command line tools. That's normal. When it finishes, close and reopen Terminal so your environment updates. Next, install the long-term support version of Node.js with Homebrew. Type brew install node and hit enter. When it completes, verify the installation by running node-v and npm v. Seeing version numbers for both confirms node and npm are ready to go. Now install Git with Homebrew by running brew install git. This gives you the version control tool you'll use to download the bot. Let's grab Clawdbot. Run git clone followed by your repository link, then change into the newly created Clawdbot folder with the cd command. If your folder has a different name, adjust the command accordingly. Inside the project folder, install the bot's dependencies by running npm install. This reads the project's package file and downloads everything the bot needs. Before starting the bot, you must add your Discord bot token, open either the .env file or config.json in a terminal editor like Nano. Paste your token in the appropriate place and save. In Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y, then Enter. Be careful not to share this token with anyone. Start Clawdbot by running nodeindex.js. If the token and configuration are correct, the bot should go online in your Discord server. This confirms your local setup is working. To keep the bot running 24/7 on your Mac Mini, install PM2 globally with npm. Install PM2. PM2 is a process manager that keeps Node